Alright, y'all, today we're making something warm, easy, and comforting. Rotisserie chicken noodle soup. Whether you're sick or just craving something cozy, this one's for you. Now, I'm starting with a little butter in the pot. 1 tablespoon. I'm letting that melt down nice and smooth. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of garlic. This sets the tone. You know it smells amazing already. Now I'm tossing in some sliced celery, carrots, and red onions. These cook for about 5 minutes until they soften up and bring out that natural sweetness. Simple start, big flavor. Next, I'm pouring in the first container of chicken broth. This is where it starts to feel like real soup. I'm gonna pour in the entire container. Then I'm gonna now add a teaspoon of dried thyme, a half a teaspoon. Gonna stir. Next, a half a teaspoon of rosemary. And a teaspoon of salt. You're gonna stir that in, get those herbs waking up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the second container of the broth. This fills the pot and gives us plenty to enjoy or save for later. I'm gonna add now a teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon. This stuff is a game changer. It adds depth, almost like you slow cooked it for hours. Now, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper for a little heat, stirring everything in really well. Now check this out, the rotisserie chicken. So convenient and it's already packed with flavor. I'm using both white and dark meat here. Next, I'm adding 4 cups of egg noodles to the pot. Let those boil for about 9 minutes till they're perfectly tender. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide that diced chicken into the pot. Now I'm going to let this simmer for 2 more minutes. That way the flavors can really blend. All right, the soup is ready and it smells so good. I'm scooping it into my bowl right now. Look at that, it was such an easy recipe. You're not taking a long time to make this. I topped it off with little parsley, some red pepper flakes for just a hint of heat, and of course some French bread on the side. This is comfort food at its finest. Look at that. Soup is hot, hearty, and healing. Whether you're sick or just need something warm in your soul, this hits every time. I like to call this a hug and a bowl. This is so good. This is everything. If you like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. I got plenty more cozy recipes coming your way. Bye.